Hello guys, in this I'm going to show you how you can customize the appearance of the Signal app. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So after opening the app, click on your profile, which is at the top left corner, then click on the appearance, and the first is the theme, which can be the system default, light and dark. So the system default is dark, but you can change to light as well. After that, there is a chat colors and wallpapers. So at the chat colors you can select here, or you can add here. You can create your own color, and then here is the reset chat colors if you want to reset the default colors or reset all colors. After that, set wallpaper. Here you can select or choose from your phone, and there is the reset wallpapers option. After that, the message font size, which can be small, normal, large or extra large. And the last one is the language. Here you can change the app's language. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.